Welcome back to another video. Before we get into it, be sure to smash that like button and evaporate that subscribe button. Now let's get into it. Today I'm gonna tell you about Lego in exotic transport. Yes, there are a lot of Lego in exotic transport, but I'm not gonna show you all of them because there's so many of them that you cannot even count. First, we have in our list we have the plane. This is in our section. You might see it. Yes, it's here from the intro, and it has a plasma blaster. Yeah, I've used a fire brigade water spitter for it, but it's fine until nothing goes wrong, and you can put it back right. Yes. And it even has a grappler that goes down. It takes time to wind it up, but it will be done just in a moment. Now I'm gonna show you the driver of it. Yes, a robot. You might be thinking what's on its head. Eventually, it's a light. Not a plasma gun, not a gear, or a light. Yes, of course, a light. And he also has a weapon. Look at the size of his weapon. He needs power to hold it. Although it's laser, so it might not count. Only its handle should. And look at the range of this weapon. It's absolutely enormous. Now we can put him back. Take out his gear and put him back into his plane and let him do his thing. Now, next on the list, we've got the helicopter. Yes, helicopter. It's a helicopter, but it's called a helicopter. And it even has a gun. Its own gun. And the owner of it is Trimanculus. Yeah, it sounds like a dinosaur's name because its symbol is a dinosaur's bone. Yeah, that's a little bit unusual. And he even has his own rocket launcher inside. That guy's crazy. Absolutely crazy. And he even has a pod where people can hang. That's really creeped out, man. Really creeped out. Next, we've got on our list helicopter. Yes, helicopter and helicopter same. Now this copter is really cool. See what I did there? Helicopter, copter. And it even has a police driver. And this is its wing. Coolness, and look at just the detail on it. And it even has a rope launcher. Its own rope launcher. That's just crazy, man. And this wing gets sometimes stuck. I don't know why, but in the booklet it was written like this only. And it also has a backflip. And look, the helicopter doesn't have. Now next on the list we've got our thief car. Yeah, it's really small but also cool. It has its own teeth with a knife and it's really fast. You can't imagine that fast a Lego car could be. And it also has back jets and lights. Yep, lights and blue eyes. It would be cool if it could transform into a transformer, but it already looks like a freaked out SCP-096 turned into a car's head. Now, next we've got on our list a police car. It's also same as fast as the thief cars, but it has no driver. And I didn't find a driver, so I made it like this. And it also has got 2 sirens. That's just so loud. It even has extra lights. And also a protector at the back. This car is just so cool. Next we've got on our list is a RV. This is a big boy one. It has some seats and a barbecue on the top and a surfing board. You might be thinking, what's this? It's the RV's battery and we can look inside of it. It's absolutely enormous. Yeah, I have put the figures stuff in here, but don't worry, it's not a murderer car. And I don't know why these here are in the washer, but it's fine until nothing goes wrong. And it also has a back ladder. It's so cool, and it will take some time to put this back together. Next on the list, we've got our jet boat. Yeah, it's really cool. It even has a loudspeaker on its back and a weapon. That's really cool. And it also has blade shooters. That's just messed up, man. And a blank. Okay. And a symbol of a toilet up there. And even has its own steering wheel like a pirate ship. Now, next we've got on our list is the big boat. It's a humongous boat with a dog-shaped fork coming out of it. It even has a camera with it and even has a backlight. And it has some chests. Hot iron in the first chest. And let's look what's in the second chest. Diamonds. That's just really messed up, man. Really messed up. And there's a girl on this boat fishing and drinking a bowl of nothing. I don't know why crazy things are going on today, and things getting. And you can also do this. Look, a driver is inside there and a small little kitchen with some drawers. And this guy's driving a boat without wind. Oh, anyway, the windows are over here. So guys, this is gonna wrap it up for today's video. You don't forget to like and subscribe. We'll meet in the next video.